Hi friends! The DAVERAGE function in Microsoft Excel is used to calculate the average of selected database entries that meet specific criteria that you set. Let's go ahead and see how you can use the DAVERAGE function in an Excel worksheet. Open the Excel worksheet that contains the database table and the criteria table. Select the cell where you want to get the function's result. We can get the result either by typing the function directly here or by finding the function in the Formula tab. Type equals DAVERAGE, open parentheses, select the entire database, select the field column, which is the weight column in this example, comma, and then select the criteria, which here is age greater than 22. Close parentheses. Press the Enter key to get the result, that is the average weight. Now let's do the same thing by finding the function in the Formula tab. Select the cell where you want to get the function's result and then click on the Insert Function button. In the Search for a Function box, type DAVERAGE and then click on the Go button. Select DAVERAGE from the list and then click on OK. Click on the Function button in the Database section. Select the database range and then click the button to expand it. Click on the Function button in the Field section. Select the field range and then click the button to expand it. Click on the Function button in the Criteria section. Select the criteria range and then click the button to expand it. Click OK to get the result. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.